Deal Surgeons, Elite Masterminds, what's going on? This is Diamond Life, and I'm doing a before and after review. This is a price prediction review, okay? Now remember, a lot of people that you watch on YouTube, they're not going to predict price, okay? They're going to shoot videos that say price came down here because it was an order block, and then it came up here because it was, so they do that kind of stuff, okay? But you really need to, if I was me in your shoes, I really would listen to the people who can predict price, because that's a whole nother level of dedication. That's a whole nother level of deep thinking about this stuff, okay? So I want you to notice this candle right here, okay? This is a bearish candle. Now notice how high it jumped up above the previous candle. This is the daily chart, okay? This is price prediction before it happens, okay? I see price coming down here. Let me show you where. And remember, we're gonna look at the date and we're gonna see if I was right or wrong. Price is coming down here. I really see it coming down here to take out this wick or these lows, but to be conservative, I'm going to go to the weekly chart and I'll go to an order block and I'll tell you exactly where it's going down to. Okay. I'm in on the short right now. Price has to come down here. Okay. So I have 4 positions on. I'm going to get out here. I'm going to get out here. I'm going to get out at 50% of this candle. And then I'm going to get out my last position here. Okay. But based on the candle that I see, I really believe price has to come down here and take out this wick low. Okay, but I'm going to hold for price to come down to at least here. Let's go back to the daily chart. So what I'm trying to tell you right now is you need to hold your short on US oil. If you don't do it, you're going to feel like a fool. I'm going to repeat that. If you don't get in on a short on US oil and hold it for the next, I don't know how long it's going to take, maybe 4 to 6 days, price has to come down here. Because when I shoot the after video, you're going to see a lot of bearish candles. It's going to come down here. And I told you exactly where to get out at. Okay, so why am I so confident about this? It's something called a SpaceX candle. Okay, this is something that I saw maybe about 6-7 months ago. Notice this candle right here. I'm about to just really look at that candle right there. Now let's go to my screenshots, okay? Let me go to my screenshots, hold on. Okay, so real traders, people that really study this stuff, you're gonna have an archive of screenshots. And so this is my Google Drive folder, okay? So this is something called SpaceX. When I click here, remember the candle I just showed you. I'm about to show you how similar it looks to my archive right here. Look at this right here. This is a SpaceX candle. You see how high it jumped up above? See the black candle here? Hold on, see this candle here? Look how high it jumped up above the white candle. And look what happened. It took out the low, this low here. Okay. Let's go to the next one. If you're a real trader, if you're really serious about this, you should have an archive of screenshots to prove your thesis. Okay, let's go here again. Here's another one. SpaceX. The SpaceX candle is when price literally jumps. This for the bullish, this is a bullish SpaceX candle. The one else on US oil right now is bearish. Look how low, look how it jumped up far below the previous bearish candle. You see that right there? And what happened? It came up and took this high up here. Do you understand why I just showed you why oil was going lower and I showed you exactly where it's going to go to? Okay. So it's either going to respect the order block right here. Okay. The opening price, and then it hits mean threshold, which is 50% of the candle, and then it takes the high up here. Okay, let's go to the next screenshot. SpaceX candle. You should be taking screenshots of your models. You should be taking screenshots of the candles if you're serious about this. I'm gonna repeat this. If you don't go short on oil, you're gonna feel like a fool. I'm gonna make sure I rub it in your face. Go short on oil and hold the short to where I told you to take it to. If you don't, you're just gonna see me shoot the review video and say, I told you so. Here's another SpaceX candle. This is a dead giveaway, folks. This is what I call a dead giveaway. Look how far below it jumped down before it's like a rocket. I shot a whole, if you actually search on my YouTube page, you'll see, if you search SpaceX candle, you'll see I did a whole video review about this. Okay, let's keep going. I'm just trying to show you how confident I am. Another one. SpaceX candle. If you're not taking screenshots of the candles, certain things that you see in candle formation, you're not serious about this. Right there. Now look what happened. It came all the way up here and did what? It took out the high. the previous high. So all you got to do is flip the chart upside down, and it's going to take out the previous low. Does that make sense? That's why I told you on US oil, I see it taking out the actual low. Even though I don't want to accept it, I'm going to get out earlier than that, even though based off what I see, it has to take out the wick low on the oil, which I'll show you the chart all over again. I'm just showing you my screenshots. SpaceX candle. The same thing you see on US oil. This candle looked very similar to what you just saw on US oil, don't it? Right here. Okay, and look what happened. It came down here and it respected this candle right here. See this candle here? This is a bullish order block. It respected this last down close candle. That's why I told you I'm not going to hold for price to take the wick low on US oil. I'm going to get out probably at mean threshold, which is here, which is 50% of the last down close candle's body. Okay, so I'm just showing you the screenshots. Okay, another one, SpaceX candle. You should be taking screenshots of this stuff so you can be real confident. Here it is right here. Here's another one. SpaceX candle. See how far it jumped up above? See how far it jumped up above this candle here? Look at that. What happens when that happens? It takes out the previous low. You see that? Now, again, it didn't take out this low right here. It respected the bullish order block. That's why I told you I'm not going to bet on it coming down to take out US oil's low. I'm going to bet on it coming down to what? The bullish order block, which is these group of candles here. This is on the 5-minute chart, but on the 15-minute chart, the bullish order block is like the last two down close candles. Okay, that's why you see that green line I drew right there. It reversed off of it. Okay, let me show you one more, and then we'll go back to US oil and I'll end the video. See this right here? This is a SpaceX candle, but this one isn't as strong. This one isn't as strong as the one that we have on US oil right now. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one more, and then I'll end the video. I have so many. Look at this right here. This is a dead giveaway. This is the 1 hour chart. Look folks. Let me show you this last one. Look how high this thing gapped up above the previous bullish candle. You see that? This is crazy. This is what I call a dead giveaway. Now, let's go back to US oil and I end the video. Okay. Now, you just seen the screenshots. So you tell me what you think is about to happen. Let's go back to the daily chart. Look at that candle right there. Look at it. It's just like I showed you. Let me move this up so you can see. Look at this. So what do you think is going to happen? It's going to come all the way down here is what's going to happen. Okay. It's going to come all the way down here. This is the lowest down close candle. I see it coming all the way down here to at least here. Okay. I believe it's going to go higher, lower. Based on what I'm seeing, I believe it's actually going to take this low or at least come down here. Okay. But I'm going to actually get out here. I'm in 4 positions right now. You see that candle pushing down? And I know some people believe I'm not in on this short, but I'm going to, on my next video, I'm going to show proof that I'm actually in this trade. And I'll do it on my other, I'll do it on TradingView, okay? So you can see my executions. So this is my before video. And then in the next 2 days, 6 days, 10 days, I'll shoot another after video, and you're going to see price all the way down here. It's going to come all the way down here. So if you don't go short, that's on you. Thanks for watching.